Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you my hot dog recipe and instruction. So you will need 1 kilo flour, 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of butter, 20 grams of yeast, 20 grams of salt, 250 grams of water, 250 grams of milk, 1 large egg. So you combine all the dry ingredients together into a mixer and add all the wet ingredients as well, and then mix for 30 seconds just to combine all the ingredients together. All the ingredients and the method will be in the description, so don't forget to check that out. I'll speed out the next steps. Enjoy the saxophone Afro beat. Once the dough is ready, you remove from the mixer, put in a bench, and shape into a bowl. Once you shape the dough into a bowl, put in a lightly oiled bowl and let it proof for 1 hour. Once the dough is ready to pre-shape into small pieces of 100 grams weight and form into little balls and let them rest for 15 minutes. "15 to 20 minutes later, you come back. The balls are ready to shape, to do a final shape. So you shape them into like a baguette type of look. You shape them just like that, how the video presents. Nice and gentle shape, and cover the seam. Then place the seam facing down so it doesn't open when you bake them. And then once it's all finished shaping, take the brown to proof for 45 minutes again, and egg wash them. Oven preheated 190, and then bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on how hot your oven is. It could be 15 minutes until they're golden brown. And then you enjoy your hot dogs. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Enjoy the beat. And again, all the recipe is on the description. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know in the comment below what you found the video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.